Drywall repairman here. Look, this is a common repair in most homes. This is an accident. Someone pushed in the wall. So now we're going to have to patch this in. Simple process. Something like this, a do-it-yourselfer can probably handle themselves. We got called in, so here we are. Basically gonna put some masking down on the baseboard and took off the receptacle plate already and masked it off so I don't get any mud in there. Put some plastic down, and then we're just going to cut out the area square. So let's get to work. Wood backing is a good thing to have. Fiberglass mesh tape. Piece of sheetrock, of course a 6-inch knife, screw gun, pencil's nice to have, some sheetrock screws. You can either cut it out with a keyhole saw or a razor blade, whatever you want to do. Easy way of doing this, you can cut a piece of drywall and do a template, or you can just cut it out with a level, something like this. I like to push it in to see if there's framing in here. There's no framing. Straight edge. Keep a piece of this for the paint match. I'm going to use a razor blade. Any rough edges. Remember I said backing. You can go here, 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 whatever you want to do. Whatever's easiest. Here we go to the top. Alright, I can cut the piece, you can measure it, I'm just going to do it like this, boom, electrical box. This for like a keyhole saw. It's tight, cut it back. cracking. Everybody says Milwaukee's the best. This is a full battery in the drill. Yeah, right. And that's on too. I don't want to have to go get my other drill. Make sure there's screws in there. I don't know. Remember that's 6. Screw head's not in. Put it in. Spray glue optional. That just tacks the tape to the wall so it doesn't fall off on all the sheetrock. Keep a piece of this for the paint. Paint match. Pretty much it. Put all the tools away. You're ready for the first coat. First coat I'm using a 5-minute mud. Let it set. not a fan of this knife at all. Not at all. Stainless steel knife, so I don't want